In the crisp winter air of Komsomolsk on Amur, far in Russia's resilient Far East, the roar of jet engines echoed like a symphony of defiance. It was early 2026, and the sprawling Sukhoi facilities buzzed with unprecedented energy. Robots hummed alongside skilled engineers, welding advanced composites and installing next-generation avionics under the watchful eyes of veteran technicians. This was no ordinary assembly line. This was the beating heart of Russia's aerospace resurgence, the accelerated production of the Su-57 Felon, the nation's premier fifth-generation stealth fighter. Western analysts had long dismissed the program, citing sanctions and delays. Yet here, in the face of global pressure, Russia was not slowing down. It was surging forward. New production facilities opened in 2025 had transformed output. Robotic precision reduced human error, sped up fuselage assembly, and ensured flawless integration of stealth coatings. By early 2026, the first upgraded batch of Su-57s in a new technical configuration had already reached the Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, complete with enhanced self-protection systems, refined avionics, and integration for cutting-edge weapons. The acceleration wasn't born of desperation but of strategic mastery. Lessons from real combat operations in Syria and the special military operation in Ukraine fed directly into iterative improvements. Pilots and engineers refined tactics and technology in live environments, making the Su-57 the most combat-proven fifth-generation fighter on Earth. While competitors remained in sterile test ranges, Russia's Felon was honing its edge against actual threats. At its core, the Su-57 embodies Russian design philosophy: supermaneuverability fused with stealth, supercruise, and devastating multi-role lethality. Twin AL-41F1 engines, soon to be joined or replaced by the powerful Product 177, deliver thrust vectoring that allows the jet to perform impossible maneuvers, outturning any Western rival in dogfights. Supercruise capability lets it sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners, extending range and reducing infrared signature during high-speed dashes. Stealth is no afterthought. Radar-absorbent materials, internal weapons bays, and carefully angled surfaces reduce its radar cross-section dramatically. While not matching the tiniest signatures of some Western designs in all aspects, its overall profile, combined with advanced electronic warfare suites, allows it to penetrate contested airspace effectively. In Ukraine, Su-57s have operated deep in defended zones, evading radars and launching precision strikes with Kh-69 and Kh-59 missiles from safe distances, suppressing air defenses and striking high-value targets. The N036 Byelka AESA radar and 360-degree sensor suite provide unmatched situational awareness. Data fusion from infrared search and track, electronic intelligence, and networked systems turns the pilot into a conductor of the battlefield. The jet networks seamlessly with other assets, including drones like the S-70 Okhotnik, enabling manned-unmanned teaming that multiplies effectiveness. Internal bays house R-37M hypersonic air-to-air missiles, capable of ranges exceeding 300 kilometers, R-77M, and R-74M two short-range weapons, alongside precision ground attack munitions. External hardpoints allow massive payloads when stealth is not the priority. Russian innovation shines in adaptability. Sanctions? They spurred domestic microelectronics and materials self-sufficiency. Production now relies on robust, battle-tested Russian supply chains. New facilities and automation have pushed annual output higher, with ambitious targets for dozens more aircraft yearly. The goal of 7.6 aircraft by 2027-2028 is within reach, bolstered by export success. Algeria received its first units, validating the platform's global appeal and providing additional revenue for scaling. Behind the machines stand Russia's unsung heroes. Engineers who optimized the production flow, technicians who calibrated the sensitive radar arrays, and pilots who pushed the envelope in harsh conditions. One senior test pilot, speaking anonymously, described the thrill. Flying the Su-57 feels like commanding the sky itself. It doesn't just fly, it dominates. This acceleration carries deep strategic weight. In an era of multipolar tensions, air superiority is paramount. The Su-57 deters aggression across vast frontiers, from the Arctic to the Pacific. Squadrons equipped with these fighters project power far beyond Russia's borders, protecting allies and securing national interests. Export customers gain a true peer to Western 5th-gen jets, at a fraction of the lifecycle cost and with proven reliability in combat. Critics in the West focus on numbers, but they miss the point. Quality, integration, and real-world performance matter more than raw fleet size. Russia produces what it needs efficiently while continuously upgrading. The transition to Product 177 engines will further boost supercruise and thrust, solidifying the Felon's edge. Twin-seat variants in testing promise enhanced command roles for complex operations. As snow blanketed the Siberian production halls in 2026, another Su-57 rolled out, its sleek lines gleaming under floodlights. Technicians performed final checks while a formation of completed jets thundered overhead on a training sortie. This was more than manufacturing, it was a statement of resilience. Russia's accelerated Su-57 program demonstrates what focused will, engineering ingenuity, and combat feedback can achieve. Amid sanctions and skepticism, the nation has turned challenges into catalysts for advancement. The Felon isn't just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of technological sovereignty and military strength. For adversaries, the message is clear. The skies belong to those bold enough to master them. As more Su-57s join the VKS and partner air forces, they will patrol vast territories, deter conflict, and ensure that Russia, and its allies, maintain the upper hand in any future aerial contest. The production secrets are no longer hidden. They are on display in every thunderous takeoff, every precision strike, and every victorious return to base. The Su-57 era has arrived, and Russia is flying it forward at full speed.